Hey guys, Tyler from Chrome Squad here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a website in the new Google Sites. This is the second part of a 2-video series, so if you want to go watch part 1, I showed every button in the new user interface for Google Sites and what they all do. But for now, let's just get into building a new website. So just to start off, I'm going to click this plus button in the bottom right hand corner to start a new site. So just to give us something to kind of base the website off of, I'm going to make kind of a simple version of the Connected for Learning website, just so I can show you guys how to implement some of the different features that Google Sites has. So first, we can go up into the top left and change the actual name of the website. So let's go ahead and change that to Connected for Learning. And let's also change the main title of the homepage to Connected for Learning. Right here with these two buttons, we can change some different things about the header. This one lets us change the type of header. We can do title only, banner, or large banner. I'm just going to leave it at the normal banner size. Let's also upload a custom image to the header to try and give it some more visual appeal. Now that we've kind of started the website layout a little bit, let's go ahead and go over to this third tab on the right and let's pick a theme for the website. I'm going to choose the Diplomat theme, and for the font style I'm going to choose heavy. Now once you do this, you can see that it automatically formats the text that you've already placed on the page, which you can still resize and move around if you so choose to. And then also you will see these little stars in the bottom right hand of this banner. Now what this does is it automatically adjusts the text to be more readable. So it scans the text that you've placed on the background and it automatically changes the coloration and lighting to make it more readable. Now you can turn it off if you prefer to do it yourself, but it is a nice little feature that can really help make your website look a lot more professional. So let's start with something basic. Let's just go to the Insert tab and let's insert an image from our image library. Okay, so as you see, the image is inserted. With these blue dots, we can resize it. We can also move it around to different parts of the page. I'm just going to leave it right there. Let's also add in a text box right beside it to kind of welcome people to the website. Now, it will insert it in the section below, but if you grab this little section of dots right here at the top of the text box, you can move it to the side of where the image is. Now I simply click in the text box, and I'm going to fill it out with some text and also change how the font looks. Alright, so as you see now, we have the image to the left and we have the text box on the right hand side. The text will automatically orient to the top, but if you want to add some extra space, you can simply just press enter and move the text down a little bit to line up better with the image. So another thing that I'm going to show you guys how to do is how to embed YouTube videos into a site. So let's just go ahead and embed one of the previous videos on our website and add a description beside it with a text box. So first I'll click on the YouTube button. I'll search for the video I want to use. I'll click here and then I'll click select, and it will embed it with a thumbnail right into the site. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there, and I'm going to insert a text box to the left of it where I will put the description. Now this does look nice, but if we wanted to have a separate page where it was all of our videos in one place, what we could do is we could go up to the Pages tab and insert a new page. So I'm just going to call this page Videos. And what this does is it creates a separate page from the home page. So if we're on the home page and we want to get to the Videos page, we can simply go up to the top and navigate to it. Now that I've created a separate page for us to put all the videos on, I'm going to insert a few videos from our channel. So now we have a full page full with a couple of videos from our channel. I didn't fill out the descriptions, but you can put in text boxes and images and other things to kind of fill out the page. And we could add even more pages if we want to expand not only the amount of content on the website, but the organization of the website as well. So let's jump back to the home page for a second, and I'm going to add something else. We're going to insert some promotion for the Connect store. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a Google map. I'm just going to type Royce City High School, and I'm going to select it, and it will insert the map right here. And now I'm just going to resize this a little bit, and I'm also going to insert an image of the Connect Store logo. So as you see, now we have a map showing where Royce City High School is located, and we also have a logo for the Connect Store on our homepage. So now I'm going to be adding one final page to our website. Basically this page I'm going to show you guys how to insert different documents from the G Suite program. So I'm just going to call the page G Suite. Go back to the Insert tab, and first I'm going to start by inserting a Google Doc. Okay, so we can resize the doc for readability. I'm also going to insert a Google Slides presentation. And finally, I'm just going to insert a Google Sheet. So now we have 3 different documents from 3 different G Suite programs. Once we get into previewing the website, I'll show you how exactly these 3 documents work. So now that everything is completed, let's just go ahead and click on the eyeball up here, and this will let us preview what our website will look like once it's published. As you can see, we can scroll through our home page, and we've got all the different things that we inserted. We can go up to the top and switch over to the video page, and we can also go to the final tab with the G Suite docs. And here we are able to interact with our Google Doc by scrolling through it. We are able to interact with our slide presentation, and we're also able to interact with our calendar. You can also go down to the bottom right and look at what your website will look like on tablet and on mobile devices. So once we're done previewing our website, we're just going to click the X in the bottom right corner. And once you're finally ready to publish it, you're just going to click the big purple Publish button up in the top right. This is going to give you some different options for who's going to be able to view your website. You're going to be able to give it the site location. You're also going to have a box down here that will allow your website to be available in the search results of Google. Your site will also be saved directly into your Google Drive before you even click the Publish button. So that's just a quick overview of all the things that you can do in the new Google Sites program. As I've shown, you can embed videos, images, text, even G Suite documents to create a really nice looking website. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out and maybe even made navigating the new Google Sites a little bit easier. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.